Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by getting direct admin access because only administrators can remove scanner journals. Log into the remote UI or on-panel system manager. Once done, enter the admin password and open the Settings or System Settings menu. Make sure scan journals and audit logs are accessible. If you need service mode, attach a USB keyboard and use the proper key sequence. You must be in the correct mode before proceeding to journal deletion. Otherwise, options will be hidden or disabled. Once in administrator mode, navigate to Security or System Settings and find Audit Log or Journal Management because that houses scanner journals. Use filters, scanner type, date range, or user to narrow results faster. This reduces risk of deleting unrelated logs. Select entries individually for precision or choose all for bulk deletion. Make sure you review the list on screen. You should see a delete or purge option. Choose it deliberately and prepare to confirm, since this is typically irreversible on Ricoh devices. Now perform the delete. Tap the delete or purge button and confirm the prompt. Do not interrupt the process. Once done, refresh the journal list and verify entries are gone and the device reports freed space or reduced log count. If the deletion fails, make sure you have full admin privileges, then reboot the copier and retry. If still blocked, check whether storage encryption or remote backup policies are preventing deletion. One key troubleshooting tip: enable service mode and inspect the internal HDD usage and log.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.